welcome to Veteach. Today we are going to discuss about the topic wireless communication standard. Before going to discuss about what is wireless communication, communication is nothing but a exchange of information or data from one place to another or from one device to another device. So while transmitting the data from one system to another, what are the basic standards are used to follow the transmission of data successfully? Simple. Standards are nothing but rules and regulations. If we maintain rules and regulations properly, the device is said to be the standard device. So some kind of standard simply said to be, if we maintain protocol, those devices are said to be the standards. So in terms of wireless communication system, how the systems are access the data with some kind of protocols or explain. Simple. There are many types of Wi-Fi standards. General in daily applications, laptop, tablet, smartphone, all access with respect to the internet. So how the internet is accessed, how the data is transferred with respect to the internet, the concept is simply set up the wireless communication standard. Here all the different wireless standards to connect the internet, that is the concept. Wireless standards change every few years, day by day, because the trend is the generation is different, the technology is developed very well. So updating bring faster internet, better connections, more simultaneous connections and so on. So what are the different types of Wi-Fi's available? Or simple. The most common set of wireless standards you will encounter is IEEE 802.11. This is the protocol. IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN, and that is 802.11 wireless LAN mesh, the same one technology. The IEEE updates 802.11 Wi-Fi standards every few years. At the time of writing, the current Wi-Fi standard is 802.11 AC. Present, that is the next standard is 8.2011 AX. This is a process. There are different types of Wi-Fi standards are there. Simple. How the systems, how the phone, how the access, how the different kinds of accessing device or access data with respect to the internet is simply said to be the wireless communication standard. In this, what are the different types? The IEEE standards 802.11a, 802.11b, starting from 802.11a to 802.11ax. Initially it is AC, then it comes to X. So year of release, present 2019, the latest version is 802.11ax. What are the speeds? Frequency 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. In the initial stage 1919, it is only 5 gigahertz. Here only 5 gigahertz. The maximum data rate 54 Mbps only in the initial, but here 10 to 12 Gbps. Large variation. So 11 Mbps, 54, again 600, 1.3. So different kinds of frequency spectrums, different kinds of data rate speeds. There are different kinds of Wi-Fi standards are available. Wireless communication standards are available. From the basic year is simply 1999. The data rate is 54 Mbps. The speed is frequency spectrum is 5 gigahertz. Now the latest in terms of the 2019, it is 802.11 AX. The data rate is 10 to 12 Gbps. So here, what is 802.11? The original created in 1997. This now the basic simple, the data rate is very fast, megabits per second. Devices using this haven't been made for over a decade and won't work with today's equipment. So that the Android systems which are designed now are not properly working with the IEEE 802.11 initial. Then there is a difference. 802.11a, in this version Wi-Fi works on 5 GHz band. This was done with the hope of encountering less interference in many devices, like most of the wireless phones also use 2.4 gigaband. So is a fairly quick to maximum data rate stopping up to 54 Mbps. So there is a drawback in 802.11. So to overcome that, they designed the concept of 802.11a. So the data rate is up to 54 Mbps. The frequency is 5 gigahertz. Second thing, 802.11b also created. The typical frequency range is 2.4 gigahertz. The maximum speed is 11 Mbps. 11 Mbps. Next one, 802.11z, designed in 2003. The standard data rate is 54 Mbps. while the frequency band is 2.4, which one very reliable, and the resulted in the widespread adoption of the standard. So there is a modifications in terms of the standard. The next one, IEEE 802.11n. This is also in 2009. That frequency spectrum is 2.4. The wave, when the frequency is high, the wavelength may be varied. 5 gigahertz. So it's the data rate is 150 Mbps. The speed is very high. So IEEE 802.AC, here the maximum 1300 megabits per second. The data rate is 1300 megabits per second. So here the frequency band also 5 gigahertz. So in this the AC standard is what you will find the most wireless devices using the time of writing. So here increases the data with respect to the 1300 megabits with the same kind of band 5 gigahertz. Same kind of band 5 gigahertz. The next one, the latest one is said to be IEEE 802.11, which was designed in 2019. Here the data rate is 10 Gbps. 10 Gbps, 30 to 40% improvement over the AC standard. Furthermore, wireless AX will increase the network capacity by adding broadcast sub-channel simple MYMO, memory in memory out devices. So these are the different kinds of wireless communication standards available in terms of the computer networks to access the internet among all the devices. Second thing, WiMAX is simple. WiMAX is acronym of worldwide interoperability of microwave access. So how the devices are connected. Baseband wireless MAN technology. A wireless technology is optimized for the delivery of IP-centric services over a wide area. So with respect to the Wi-Fi, WiMAX is one kind of technology to use the transmission of data with respect to internet. Here, platform for constructing alternate and complementary broadband networks. Simple, the scalable wireless technology which is used for the transmission of data. Certification that denotes interoperability of equipment built to the IEEE 802.16. So the protocol is different. This is a IEEE 802.16. So here there are two types of models, a fixed usage model, a portable usage model. So this is WiMAX, simple worldwide interoperability for microwave access. So Wi-Fi protocol is different, WiMAX is different, but both are used to access the internet with respect to the laptop, with respect to the mobile. So in terms of local area network technology, the main important topics are how the data may be corrected, how the data may be detected with kind of parity, with kind of cyclic redundancy, how the Bluetooth is designed, what are the different types of networks available, standards available, how wireless communication standard is working, how wireless MAX was designed. So with this we can conclude the concept of wireless communication standard, different types of protocols, IEEE protocols of 802.11 AC to 802.11 AX, and finally what is wireless MAX. This is simple representation of wireless MAX. Thank you.